topic is exception handling in Java. So, what is exception handling? Exception handling in Java is one of the effective means to handle the runtime error, so that the regulate of the regulate flow of the application can be preserved. That exception handling is the mechanism to handle runtime error. So, what is exception? An exception is an unwanted or unexpected event which occur during execution of the program, that is at runtime, that disturb the normal flow of the program instruction. Exception can be caught and handled by the program. When the exception occur within method, it's create an object. This object called as exception object. It continue inform about the exception, such as the name and a description of the exception and the state of the program when exception occur. And an exception can occur for many reasons. Some we discuss. First is our invalid user input, and second is device failure. Third one is loss of electricity. Loss of network connection. Physical limitation, means disk memory is full, and last one is our code error, and opening an unavailable file. So what is the error? Error represent conditions such as Java virtual machine, JVM, running out of the memory, stack overflow error, libraries incompatibility, infinite recursion, etc. Error are usually beyond the control of the programmer. We should not try to handle the error. And error what is error and exception? So error is indicate a serious problem that reasonable application should not try to catch. Reasonable exception indicate condition that a responsible application might try to catch. Customize exception handling. Java exception handling is the managed keyword by try and catch, throw, and final. Program statement that thing can raise exception are contained within try block. If an exception occur within the try block, it is throw our code can catch this exception, and handle is in it same rational manner. System generated exception are automatically thrown by the Java runtime system, JVM. To manually throw exception, use the keyword throw. Any exception that is throw out of method must be specified, such by throw clause. Any code that absolute must be exception after try block complete in put in the final block. This is the execution of the exception. Thank you.